Hi, I'm George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And today we're going to talk about how to draw an electrical AC schematic circuit. What I have here is some examples of some schematic drawings. Now, the first thing that you need to know when drawing a schematic circuit is you have to have some symbols. Now, if you don't know what your symbols are, you need to be able to look some kind of a legend on any of your set of prints or whatever stuff you're working in. You can see right here, this is a major list of all kinds of different schematics, or symbols. In the electrical field, there are literally thousands of symbols. You can have anything from motors to fans to lights to switches, float switches, transformers, grounds, doorbells. I mean, literally, there are thousands of different things. You wouldn't generally run into, more than about 100 on your residential property, but it can get rather complicated. Another suggestion I have is always use a ruler to do your drawing unless you're really good. I'm not a very neat drawer, so I always use a ruler, and you can also use a protractor to make your circles and semicircles. Once again, my name is George Argo with Argo Electrical Services. I am the surge protector guy, and you just watched how to draw an electrical schematic AC circuit.